Joining me now is B.Y. Raghavendra, the candidate of BJP from Shimoga. Sir, you have just casted your vote. What are the issues? How do you feel, sir, that Shimoga is voting today?
I request and encourage everyone to cast their votes in the interest of nation. You know, in first and second phase, some percentage is very low.
Yes.
So in this third phase of the this election, so we have to cast our votes in good margin. This is the right of the people. So in the interest of nation, please. The climate also too hot.
It's hot.
Weather is hot. That's why before that, please come and make cast their votes.
This election is about Congress guarantee versus Modi ki guarantee in Karnataka. How do you see this?
No, sir, we not didn't compare the Modi and Congress guarantee. Congress guarantee, it is a question of some 2-3 ration items. But regarding Modi ji's guarantee, in the interest of the nation, regarding the welfare of the needy people, poor people, in the interest of nation, these are the Modi's guarantees.
So, final question. They have said that Congress in Shimoga has put up a tough fight, is what they're saying. How tough was it, or was it still easy for you here to campaign, do your work here?
Really, I am in this election. Last 1.5 months, expected Modi ji visited our constituency. They blessed me in the public function. It is very good enthusiasm to the all party karyakartas. So in the blessing of their party karyakartas, 100% will do very good performance in this election. You know, in first election, my lead is only 50. In last election, 2 lakh something.
Yeah, 2.5.
So incumbency is here. So very good atmosphere, 100% good margin. Our party will be, our voters will be support for me, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.